Hey guys, how you doing? Ron here with Tech Tips to Go. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin using Coinbase. Now, buying Bitcoin is very easy using Coinbase. Coinbase is probably one of my most favorite apps out there just because of the interface and how it looks. The only downfall that I didn't like in terms of getting started and set up with Coinbase was the daily limit. If you are looking at purchasing a lot more Bitcoin, like such as thousands or 5,000 or 10,000, you probably want to go to another exchange or another application. But for sure, I would still sign up with Coinbase just because the ease of use and the withdrawal process is a lot easier and a lot safer in my eyes. When you look at Coinbase, the team is big. They have a lot of people in the company, and also just in general, my experience with Coinbase is just really good. So let's come over to Coinbase. Now, as you can see in this, my portfolio is 587. I keep my coin or my altcoins, my Bitcoins are all over the place. I have a lot on Binance and my Ledger, and then also on Coinbase. And those are the only places that I have them. I don't stake my coins anywhere else. I am looking at crypto.com, so I'll probably be doing a video on crypto.com just because they have really cool features with Visa, MasterCard, and getting your own Bitcoin card, which is pretty cool. Anyways, to buy Bitcoin, the first thing you want to do is come over here. So this is home, portfolio, prices, and then settings is just your personal settings and so on. So the thing that I like about Coinbase is sometimes I just like to, if I want to see kind of a graph, an easy graph on my phone that I can kind of pinch up and down, I like to use Coinbase. You know, sometimes I use Binance. You know, their graph is kind of too intense if you just want something easier. So for example, I'll go to Bitcoin and I'll just go to a 1 week, you know, a 1 month, a 1 year, and then you could kind of pinch up and down and just kind of see, you know, the stats of how it did. You could just scroll your finger along here, right, and just see how it was, the history and everything. You can look at the 1 hour. So let's come back over to purchasing Bitcoin. The first thing you want to do here is, if you see this little kind of the 2 arrows over there, now you can click on buy. Now it's going to ask you what coin do you want to buy, right? And these are all of the supported coins that you can buy within Coinbase. So the three most popular coins that I buy are actually the top three, you know, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. So I would recommend, you know, if you wanted to buy some other coins like VeChain or something that's not supported on Coinbase, then make sure that you always look to see how you can buy that. For example, if you're buying VeChain on Binance, you could buy VeChain with Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think XRP, but right now Bitcoin and Ethereum, you know, you can pair those so you can trade them. So a lot of people just buy Bitcoin to buy something like VeChain or another coin, or you might have to go to another market because Binance doesn't allow every altcoin on them. So let's get into it. So to purchase it, you just click on here, click on Bitcoin, and then as you can see, I only have a limit of $40 just because I made a purchase not too long ago, and right now my limit is, I think it's only like 300 and something per week, but I did apply for a larger limit and it does take time. But I don't blame them because they're doing their security, like due diligence, making sure, you know, Coinbase doesn't get deactivated because everyone's going broke. You know, if they're buying altcoins, not to say that everyone's going broke, but, you know, at least they're taking some precautions. But anyways, that is how you buy it. If I wanted to buy Bitcoin, I would put in my limit is 40. So I click on 40. You could preview buy. And then after that, the next step is just to buy. I'm not going to go through it, but that's how it is. Bitcoin is very easy to use. Even to get signed up, it's very easy. You know, you go through the regular steps of signing up. You have to take a picture of yourself holding, let me just grab my paper, something that says my Coinbase ID verification for Bitcoin purchase, and then you'd have to put the date on a piece of paper, take a picture of it, send it to them, and then also with your bank card possibly, or you link up your bank card. And that is it. Very easy process. You can get signed up in probably at about an hour and a half after you get approved, and then you can start buying stuff. But like I mentioned, if you were looking to purchase a large sum, then I would look at another application to use, but I would still use Coinbase. Start your process. Just buy coins every so often, and then they'll eventually raise your limit, and then you could start buying 3,000 a day or 5,000 a day. And like I said, the interface of Coinbase and everything, it's really nice, safe. I think it's one of the most popular apps out there for cryptocurrencies. So anyways, I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video.